All
Dude,
right.
I will blow you away.
It works really good.
Nice.
No, you watch.
I did. I got the drummer fingers.
You watch. I got the thumb snap off the back of a phone holder that vibrates. Watch. You'll see.
Nice.
Watch. You'll see.
Nice. All right. Are we
It's
ready, gang?
just for this purpose.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Do
I
it.
think we should be live on everything. Everybody let me know if it comes up.
YouTube is up.
Thank you.
Says training with Doug there, coach.
Where does it say that at? TikTok or
title.
YouTube? Where?
YouTube, and then I'm gonna look at TikTok right now.
I don't know where it's grabbing that from. I have no idea. Is that coming off a restream?
I was about to say you might have to change it on Restream.
Yeah, it's got to be. Okay, I don't know why it's so. Yep, it is. Next time it does that, you guys, whoever has admin access, I think you can just log in and update the event. Yep, I see it. It's all wrong. Hold on.
You're not sharing your screen either, coach.
Okay, thank you. Almost done. Carry the 2. Okay, done. Done. Done and done. We good? Yay! Everything should be fine now.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Putting up the super chat stickers now. I haven't had a super chat sticker in a while. Where's everybody at over in the YouTubes, man? Come on now. Don't fall down. Don't let TikTok be bigger than YouTube. You can do it. You can do it. All right, real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, F2, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Buckle, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, and Diesel Dan. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. All right, thank you. Let's rock and roll.
Good morning, Vietnam!
All right, it is now 9:15. We have already posted all the hot stock picks. We've already done the pre-market setup you guys have for the key critical areas you use at the bell and throughout the day. All the things are done. All the IPO stuff is posted for all of our premium and above members. Don't forget, we do have memberships. All you need to do is go over to our website, American Dream Trading, and you can sign up for any of them. We also have free Discord. Tons and hundreds 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 of hours of training for free. Training for free. Go set yourself up with something real nice. Join the Discord. .org.com.biz. Thank you. Appreciate you. This is your last week to get a diamond or any lifetime membership. Don't worry. After the diamond is gone, as of Saturday, which I believe is the last day, you will be able to get into our new platinum membership. Platinum memberships will have its privileges. You will get access to all of our membership services, excluding American Dream Trading Academy, any one-on-ones or special exclusive mentorship programs, and any future memberships that we create in the future. But as of today, you'll have all of our membership services for a low, low price of $5,000 a year. That is $416 and some change per month, which is cheaper than if you just bought the VIP membership as a standalone. That is going to be our sales price for Platinum coming out of the gate. That is per year. So go get signed up. Otherwise, If it were me and somebody was holding up the neon sign, I would be scooping up a diamond lifetime membership. It'd be a diamond in the sky that I would grab. Also, don't forget, until Monday, our American Dream Trading Journal is on sale for half off until Monday. Last opportunity to get it for $39.99 for the first year. After that, it will renew at $79.99. But on Monday, it'll go back to its regular price, $79.99. So if you want to get the American Dream Trading Journal, regardless of membership and or free, you want to go grab that right now. Who in here is using the American Dream Trading Journal, and is it any good? Do you like it? Is it helping you? Go ahead, open your mics, let the world know.
Yes, sir. Love it.
Coach, love it.
Thank you to all three of you that are using it. Appreciate you. All three of you can follow directions by making sure you're journaling every day. No, 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 no. By the way, speaking of journal, I'm going to have some new journal hardware technologies coming up for sale soon. So make sure you guys are watching the tech channel. I believe I'm going to have a Remarkable Pro 2 and or a Remarkable up for sale. These are amazing, by the way. I highly recommend you use one of these. Let me show you. One of these. Ding. Digital journals. That's right. You can take our American Dream Trading Journal and go bing, put it right here. Take it anywhere with you, right? All in the cloud. One of these will be up for sale. So make sure you guys are checking out the Tech Journal. Okay, great. I have a bunch of new journals coming for review and testing, so I won't be using these ones for a while. Thank you. One of our members, by the way, I wanted to show you guys this, right? It always sounds like I'm trying to sell you stuff, but one of our members, let me find it this morning, posted a diamond member, Shane. Shane, I don't know if you're in this room or in our futures room, but Shane in the last 2 months has taken a $1,286 account. You guys can see he posted all of it here and is now at $12,000. So he has 12x'd or 1,200% his account in the last 2 months. Diamond membership paid for twice over. Results not guaranteed, legal, all the stuff. Good job. Josh says, I love the journal. Such a huge help in keeping track of trades and emotional state. That's exactly why we did it that way. Notice everything that's in that journal is what I talk about, right? We wanted you to be able to handle that with those emotions, keeping your minds right, keeping you in the trades. Thank you. Everybody that's over on the TikToks, do me a favor, click that share button. Thank you. Dawn, I see the heart me. Ego Queen, thank you for the heart me and the roses. Thank you. Let's get the likes and the shares going out there. Help the algorithm. Thank you. Aries, Coach, you look younger. It's just the beard. It's hiding the old man's wrinkles. It's an old man hack, right? But thank you. I appreciate you. Blake, thank you for posting. I see that. One red day in over a month. I'll take it. And you followed the rules. Nice job. Yeah, listen, losses are a part of what we do. It's how we manage them and how much did we manage for the loss, right? That's the biggest part. Think about it. If you guys manage that 1 to 3% total risk on your account per day, even if you have a bad day, let's say 3%, but you had 5 good days, all averaging over that 3%, does it really matter? Okay, the only time that it matters on those losses if you allow those losses to go over what you're supposed to. If you have a 5, 10, 15% loss day, but then you only have a couple of green days, and then you stop out the green days at 1% or 2%, the math doesn't math, right? Allow those runners to run and stop out the losers. Everything we do here at American Dream Trading is all about risk management. Okay? We want you to be a great trader, and then you'll see the money come. It's not the other way around. Listen, gang, if you're a new trader and you start with $1 million, you're going to lose $1 million. If you're a new trader and you become a great trader and you start with $700, who we now, by the way, just posted the other day, one of our members has now turned $700 into over $20 million in the last year and a month. What would you rather do? Right? Because that person had already worked with me for 2 years. 2 years and was a successful trader before that happened. Yeah, I would rather take a small amount, become a good trader, and turn that into a large amount, than come in thinking you're going to rule the world with a large account and turn that into no money, right? Okay, great. That's what the training is for. Get the training and then trade later. So in the beginning, I want you guys to make sure you follow all the rules, right? Do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade. That will allow those runners to run and stop out the losers right away. So small position sizes. I want you guys to be paper trading. Simulate trading while you are in training. Make sure you guys start with stocks before options, futures, or crypto. Some of you guys just want to jump in the deep end of the pool and be like, I'm ready. No, you're not. Not at all. You need to understand the mechanics. You need to only be watching 1 to 5 stocks per day. Don't be all over the place, right? Even when we have our hot stock picks, if you're a new trader, don't trade those hot stock picks. Those are the most volatile trades of the day. And those are not to be held overnight. Everything that we're talking about in this room is same day trading. Intraday. We are not talking about swing trading. Save that for our mentorship programs. Okay. Everything inside of this room that we're typically doing. And now if you guys have questions about that after 10 o'clock, you can ask me any questions you want. Right. But typically live that you're watching me do every day, unless I say otherwise, is day trading. It's the same day. I am scalping and intraday trading. Same day. Okay. Now, markets are all new highs. Congratulations. Everything is just skyrocketing. If only there were one place that you could go that would tell you to settle down when the world was freaking out a couple weeks ago, a couple years ago, a couple months ago. Huh?
There is, Coach. American Dream Trading.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Check is in the mail. Think about that. I got today.
You pay me with knowledge.
Knowledges and checks.
Let it be known. I didn't want him to know I was a paid actor.
Oh yeah. My bad. Okay. All right, we got about 3.5 minutes to the bell. We're gonna be ready to crush this market soul. Everybody, be cool. Right? I don't want nobody going rogue. You guys do know that FOMC today at 2 o'clock and then at 2:30. Listen to the sound of my voice. If you're a new trader or you don't know what you're doing, don't trade this afternoon. It's that simple. Okay? Don't trade at all this afternoon. Notice I didn't say even a little bit. I just said stay away from it. Now you can watch us. Mark's going to actually go on at 1:45 live to talk about the FOMC and trade it live through that. So if you guys are interested in that, Mark's here every day from 2 to 4. Make sure you guys check that out. It's going to be amazing. Okay, great. Now, in case you guys are new here, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading the stock market now for 34 years. Oh my gosh, that sounds like a really long time. Been doing this forever. I have trained over 1 million people that have come through the door just like you. We are one of the largest and fastest stock market education companies in the country, if not the world. We appreciate you all. We've retired hundreds of people. We've made over 16 brand new millionaires, 6 of them over $20 million since being with us in the last 3 years. None of them had any experience at all. By the way, Colin, if you want the hot stock picks of the day, that is a part of our premium package. It starts at $125 a month. Thank you, Michael. 2 minutes. 2 minutes to the opening bell. 2 minutes. If you guys have questions or comments or want to know anything, just post them. I have moderators. I have 20 moderators standing by. You can open up a help desk ticket. You can raise your hand anywhere. You can ask. Say, hey, I need help. All right. Colin, OFC it is. Yes. We will show you why we have made hundreds of millions in profits. Colin, if you don't want to stick around, go ahead and take off. You can go watch the cat lady or little kids that put their headphones on and all you hear is music and they do nothing for you and try to sell you bots at 3 o'clock in the morning before they have to go do their day job at McDonald's. I'll leave it up to you. Stick around or bye. All right, we have 1 minute left. 1 minute left to the bell. Nobody's going to go rogue today. Make sure your callouts are clear and concise. For the first 30 minutes, you will hear it's a little crazy, a little hectic, a lot going on, a lot of action. You're going to hear a lot of buzzwords and things going on. After 10 o'clock, we settle down and we'll go into more Q&A, a little bit more training. But that first 30 minutes, we reserve for the greatest time in the stock market, which is the highest amount of volume, 20 seconds to the bell. After I train you successfully, you should listen to the sound of my voice. You should be able to be in and out of the market within 9 minutes. I'm not exaggerating. If you're really good the first 9 minutes of the day, you should be done for your entire day. That's it. Otherwise, stick around, hang out with us. Love your faces. Let's rock and roll. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Let's see. Watching SPY here out of the gate. See if we're going to get any kind of a run up here or not. Looking for SPY to see if this can break this 200 right here. Thank you, Sun-Kissed Blonde. I saw that. I appreciate you. Love your face. SPY running up now above the 200. I like seeing that. See if that can break and hold and stay up there. If you guys see any runners, let us know. Thank you. SPY way up here above this channel. Okay, let's see if this can hold. SPY still up there, shouldering. I like that. That's a good setup.
It's got that 700 in its sights, Coach.
Yes, yes. Can you believe that? 2 weeks ago, literally 2 weeks ago, everybody was freaking out again, right? I said, knock it off. I literally just said, stop. Your 401ks are probably now thanking me. Not financial tax or investment advice. Everything we discuss here is for training and education purposes only. Thank you. BNB, you go to our website, American Dream Trading, click the only button you see right there. Get into the Zoom memberships. You'll have no delay. All free content is always delayed, no matter where you go. If it's free, it's delayed. SPY still working over here.
First red EWO on Microsoft.
Thank you.
Amazon, too many green at pre-market high.
Thank you. Apple, third 2-minute EWO on Apple. If you guys can stay above this 259. Yeah, I mean, right now it's a 6-star trade, but I like it above that 259.10-ish area. See it up there? All right, thank you. You're welcome, BNB. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you. You can see right here, SPY's pulling back now down to the 200 and the 9. I was waiting for it to break this basically 698 level for me to look at going long on that, but it was right around this area.
Struggling right there.
Thank you. One of our members, Epic Mike, says up in INTC. Are you saying that is to the upside? Okay, thank you. Or are you up?
Amazon, you're high.
Thank you. Did you guys see that gold and
red?
Gold and
Sorry,
silver? Coach. You're all right. And everything is all new highs. Did everybody see all that? It's amazing.
Oh yeah, Coach, pretty.
That's glorious, right?
I wonder if a certain moderator is taking advantage of that.
Oh, 100%. Without question.
Yeah, you read my mind.
Yeah, without question, right?
We could see SPY at 700 today. We could. That would be nice.
Yeah, we will see, won't we?
Yep. I remember when it was 340.
I know.
A few years ago.
Yep.
Yeah, I remember when it was 400, man. I remember when it hit 4.
Oh my gosh, I know. I was there with you guys.
And everybody thought, oh, this is it. That's the end, right?
It can't go past 4.
Yeah, there's no way.
I remember when it went through 400, 500, 600.
All right, gold.
Speaking of which, isn't this around the time of year Tesla always does its little thing?
Yep. We'll see. SPY's still loitering around that same area.
Yes, SPY's stuck at the 200 right now.
Yep. Gold, I'll take 400 right there.
Got into it to the downside.
Thank you. I was just alerted by one of my training moderators that Tradeovate is having problems, so please do not trade through Tradeovate right now until the issues are resolved. Thank you.
I'm paper trading MES and it's stuck between VWAP and 200 on the 1 minute.
All right, thank you. And your voice is really quiet on here, your mic.
Is that better?
Yep. SPY pulling back now. Gold's getting on a nice little rip. Beautiful. SPY to the downside. Apple. Did you guys see that? I said I liked it above that 259.12. Look at that pullback when it hit that ceiling. You see it?
Tesla made a new high day.
Thank you. Did I save anybody's butt on Apple or no?
And Coach.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I mean, that was right there, right?
We had a pre-market level of 257.50. Oh my God.
You're always saving us, Coach.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
That would hurt.
Gold continuing here to shoulder. That's beautiful. SPY to the downside. Apple to the downside.
Tesla to the moon.
Fuse to the downside.
Thank you.
Hood to the downside.
Thank you. SPY pulling back. Apple still pulling back.
Microsoft's again ready, WO.
Thank you.
Microsoft has earnings tonight, so FYI.
Which one?
Microsoft.
Microsoft earnings tonight. Everybody catch that?
Meta too.
Thank you.
I think Tesla as well.
Check out
Yeah,
Micron.
the market's gonna be all over the place.
To the
Yeah, and FOMC too today. That's the crazy part, right, gang?
Yeah, that's gonna be crazy today.
Yup, yup.
Yeah, earnings does not matter until the Fed is completely done.
That's right. And it's going to be all that yo-yo banding and weird crap, right?
That's what I'm thinking, yeah.
So everybody be cool with that.
What time does that come out, Coach?
2 o'clock, and then he announces it at 2:30.
I'll be here.
You all better be here, right? Where else would you be? You all better be dialed in right here, am I right?
Yes, sir.
And you have little experience, please just observe.
Correct.
Learn.
There's a nice pop. Look at that. Oh my. Oh my. That's glorious.
What are you looking at, Coach?
I'm in futures.
Oh.
I'm in gold right now.
I was trying to see which chart you're looking at because I cannot see you. It's
Yeah,
too
yeah.
small on my screen.
Just made another grand.
Hello, gold.
Check out
Silver
Micron.
and gold. Oh.
On the FMOC, would that be a good time for some people with no experience to actually paper trade on that?
Which one, partner? It was hard to hear you.
With a meeting coming up on 2 o'clock. I'm sorry, Coach, if you can't hear me.
No. I'm listening. What was the question about the FOMC meeting at 2 o'clock?
Should people paper trade it?
Paper trade it.
Oh, yeah. Remember I said nobody should be trading that unless you're super advanced experience. So yes, if you want to paper trade it, you can. The best thing to do, honestly, though, is just listen to us, right? I'd just be hands off and listen to the experts, what's going on, right? Because think about it this way. If you guys are danking around with paper trading during education time, you're not really listening. You're just, oh, look at my paper trading account has gone up or down. That's not how you learn, right?
Your focus is divided.
Correct. And you
Just
never
listen.
want your focus divided, right? That's why I tell you when you are in here, you should be only listening to the sound of my voice. All that means is you should just be listening to the training. What am I saying? Why am I saying it? When am I saying it? What does that mean, right?
Yes, Coach, you're right.
Yep. But I
Apple's at
appreciate
a
you.
Micro double bottom.
Which one?
Apple.
Apple. Okay, thank you. Yep, I see it. Good call on that. Apple double bottom. You see that?
You're in the challenge, just be careful.
Looks like SPY found support at 697. I would not be longing SPY though until you can break and hold of that 200 and or the 697.70. Does everybody see that?
Oh, 100%, yeah.
Yep.
I didn't touch SPY yet.
Yep, it's too dangerous, right?
It's puddling in the middle right now.
Don't be diddling in the middle. Don't you do it.
I caught that double bottom bounce.
That's awesome. I would expect nothing less. Beautiful. Oh my.
Tesla is new high day and it's cranking to the upside. Look at that thing.
Yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, that's beautiful. Love it. Can't wait to see Tesla back up there in that 500 realm again, right?
Check out Micron MU. It's doing the same thing as Tesla.
Oh yeah, wow, that's beautiful. Yeah, Micron MU. Boy, that's been running for a long time. Oh my gosh. Did you guys see Soxel today? What the frick? Oh my gosh. Yeah, some of you are super happy.
Texas
You're rich as
Instrument
hell.
earnings.
You guys
that
are
thing soaring.
super happy. There's a lot of rich people in here. Oh my goodness.
Thank you every day for Soxel, Coach.
You're welcome. You still hanging on to it, huh? Good job.
I've been selling covered calls on it like crazy and just printing every week.
Gosh, I remember me saying Soxel is amazing for covered calls, right?
Yep.
Good for you. So you're doing okay with that?
Yes, and yeah, excellent actually.
Good job. Proud of you, D.
Thank you so much.
Very welcome. Soxel, we've been hammering that since about $6-7. You guys realize you're over 10x. That's a 10 bagger, right? That is 1,000% gainer on Soxel now. If you listened to the sound of my voice, right? Everybody in the room?
Tesla's on a double top.
And if not, I don't know what. Thank you. And if not, I don't know what the hell you guys are listening to. Bruno, what are you doing over there? Bruno says, be right back. Gonna wash the greed off me. You must have had a good trade. You gotta take a walk. Nice. Angel says, yes, sir. Soxel the play. Yeah, Soxel's been amazing for a very long time. 697.87 off a SPY. Oh, off this spot. Okay. SPY this is a double top. Just be cool. It's a micro double top. I just love seeing the market new highs. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. Follow the wave. Absolutely. Right? The trend is your friend. Never go against the grain. That is correct. Trade of 8 is still having issues. So everybody please be cool with that, right? Cash, I see you opened up a ticket. We just responded to you. You guys do know this is your last chance on that diamond, right? Okay, great. Soxel, you guys are up on that 200 MA. SPY, you guys are up on resistance right here. I've got 697.87 from the pre-market area. This is also still technically considered a double top, right? Okay, great. Everybody be cool. Thank you. I appreciate you all being here. TikTok algorithm is in our favor today. Thank you for all the shares, the likes, the new follows, all the things. Appreciate you. Soxel pulling back off of that 200 MA. SPY, there's your beautiful double top pullback. Who got in that? Come on.
I missed it.
I'm in it.
Thank you.
still in it.
Oh, nice. Nice. You're loving that, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Coming down to triple bottom. Glorious. 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 60 to 90% off that top, right, Blake?
Yep.
Thank
I'm
you.
done for the day. 2.76%.
Oh my.
Done.
Done. He's out of here.
I'm about to
18 minutes.
Yeah, I'm about to go cut up trees, and I made $3,000 yesterday cutting up storm debris.
Oh, wow.
So I had a bad trading day, and I went out and made $3,000.
Nice. Good job. That's beautiful, right?
And then I just made $132. I'm about to go make about 1,000 cutting up more.
There you go. That's setting up for a nice week.
That's right.
Very nice.
Wow. Having the day off from work because of snow.
Yep. Yep. You got to love that. Making way more than you could ever possibly make from your 9 to 5, doing all your little side hustles and trading and all the things, right?
Glorious. American dream.
Yes,
Thanks.
baby. Love
This
it.
is a lot easier than cutting trees.
It's way easier.
You think?
But
it's a dangerous job, man. Good luck.
I'm super safe. I just cut stuff on the ground.
Do you guys see that Soxel coming off the 200? Was everybody listening to the sound of my voice on that? Okay, good. Aries said yes, sir. Okay, good. Good job. I'm glad you guys are listening. Here's
Coach
your
UNH is trying to recover from yesterday.
Okay, thank you. Triple bottom bounce off of SPY right here. What was the ticker? I'm sorry.
UNH, United Health.
Okay, I'm on it. Yep, looking good. 3%. Nice job. Good job. Soxel pulling way back. Intel. So all the chips are probably doing the same thing right now at the same time. It's a little bit of a breather, right, gang? SPY triple bottom bounce. Did anybody get on that?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, I'm on
Yes, on that one I was in it.
I did, boss.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
No, I got it. I got the bottom, the double top, but I
Okay.
missed the bottom bounce. Yeah.
All right.
That was a nice little bounce.
Yep, not bad at all.
Back
Went
up to
all the way to
VWAP.
VWAP. Yep.
Yep, I just took it at VWAP.
Yep.
Scalp, little,
Smart. Little scalpy scalp, right?
little scalp.
Little little dabble do you, right?
MES faked me out. It wick down there. It didn't candle down there.
Right, right. I'll take gold for another hundy. Why not? Why not and chew? Nicey nice.
So, but
Just
here's
go
where
to the
Coach trains
downside.
us not to
CSCO.
mess with it because it's diddling in the middle now again. Wait till it either hits that resistance before you even think about it.
Yep, watch for SPY. And sorry, two of you were talking. What was the other? What'd you say out there? Somebody else was saying something too besides Don?
Cisco to the downside.
Cisco to the downside. Okay, thank you. Any EWO action on that or no? Yep, all EWO to the downside on Cisco. All EWO 6-star trade on Cisco to the downside. Thank you. Look at Apple all the way up to the top and all the way down to the bottom. You see that 225.81 where it bounced exactly off by 1 penny? See it? All the way back up to what? VWAP. Nice. Could you imagine if you were all trained on how to do this? Crazy. It'd almost be like we could potentially be making hundreds of millions of dollars. Am I right?
Absolutely.
Potentially, yes.
Oh, okay. Results not guaranteed, legal, all the
God,
things.
you took it out of my mouth. I was just about to say that.
Yeah. Yep. May or may not be closing in on $1 billion. $1 billion in profits. Oh, nice. Very nice.
You got problems.
I know. That's a fact, Jack.
And one of them is how much I need you.
How much I need you. Thank you. I need you too. Love your face. Spy, triple top. So you have any more? Does it have any more up here?
It's in the zone.
Amazon. Oh, don't let me forget to tell everybody in the room how I screwed up yesterday. Okay, great. So just so I can show you that I'm human too. Don't let me forget after 10 o'clock. Remind me. Okay, great. Because that'll be fun.
Yeah, coach, it happens to everybody.
I know. It's good. It's a good learning lesson though. And it's gonna be good for people listening. All right, here we go. Spy making that move off of VWAP. I like it.
Amazon double top.
Thank you. See if
Right,
Spy's got a little more. Apple all the way back down, triple bottom. 255.81.
Triple top on SPY.
Yep, I see it. Slowly channeling here. Papa Todd, good to see you. Says always follow the sound of your voice. Thank you. I see you, double top. Talk Ticker, cool name. Says BNAI is through the roof. Good. Good. Thank you, Ego Queen, for the Go Populars and all those gifts. I appreciate those gifts. Thank you.
Amazon new high.
Amazon new high. Like to hear it. Let me check the Qs. Let's see if the Qs can break out of here. SPY still sitting up here.
Made a double top.
Thank you. Who's ready for the FOMC meeting at 2 o'clock today, huh?
I am.
Oof. Is anybody going to do any latos perhaps with a small position size while having your stop losses in place and knowing exactly what you could potentially lose, knowing that it could break through your stop? So don't be a fool. Is anybody doing that?
I'm gonna have one contract.
Okay, great.
Just one.
Okay, great.
I didn't put it in yet because I'm trying to find a good spot for it.
Yep. And don't forget, everybody, when in doubt, straddle it out.
Rattle it out.
That's right.
Straddle like great.
And you might want to wait till afternoon to make that decision.
Oh yeah, I always wait till about 3 minutes before.
Correct.
Yeah.
About 1:57, I'll identify what I want to do. Right.
Yes.
So just
Make sure
an
you buy
FYI,
for the next day.
just an FYI, because of today's Fed meeting, which is an event day, on your 2-minute EWOs, just look at the neighborhood and be careful that it needs to break the resistance or the 200 or support below. Give it that extra caution.
Correct. Yeah, I am anticipating a cut, but that could just be me wanting the cut.
Yeah.
Does anybody else feel that way or no?
Yeah.
I got a
decide
Taco Bell
to,
bet
we're not
with
gonna
you that
do
it does
anything.
nothing.
No,
Not gonna cut anything.
I'll bet no cut.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, that's my Taco Bell bet.
Yeah,
Come on.
yeah. I would say
Mr.
no pick.
President.
I would say no pick only because he knows he's right heading out the door on his ear, but
One last hurrah, right?
exactly, yeah. One last, let me stick it to you on the way out the door, right?
That's what I'm thinking.
And then watch the payback because the new replacement's going to be announced. You watch.
Mm-hmm.
Shift change 1 minute.
Thank you. Shift change at 1 minute. 1 minute.
Change, shift
Palantir
change.
found support.
Qs are a perfect example of what I was talking about. We did get a 2-minute EWO to the upside, but it could not break the 200 or resistance above.
Thank you, Jeff Johnson, for the heart me. Yeah, I would love to see a rate cut. Oh my gosh, you guys, you know how huge that would be right now with the stock market all-time high and all the things that are going on. And now we're seeing a shift in the housing market, and we're starting to get those under that 6% level that I told you guys. That's when all the buyers and sellers action would start to kick in. Could you imagine? Right? Can you believe? How about this? Can you guys believe we have done all of this in the last year without any of that the way it was supposed to have been? Wow. Crazy. Triple top. Anybody get on SPY? Triple top. Okay, great. Now we're on a quad bottom.
Check out Netflix.
In it.
ASTS to the upside. It's been running since yesterday.
All right, thank you.
Just wait 10 o'clock right now.
Here we go. Shift change. Here we go. Shift change. Look at that perfect channel on SPY though, right? 697 to 698. Everybody see this?
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh. It's been all morning. The last 30 minutes. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Don't I always say like a clock? 12 to 6, 12 to 6, 12 to 6, right? SPY. Good old SPY. Me and you been buddies for over 3 decades. Me and you, champ. Helping all these good people. It's amazing. It's glorious. All right, SPY. What are we going to do this time? You still have $1.60 to go to the downside. Which honestly, I thought we'd already be there by now. I thought we'd have already hit close of previous day by now, to be honest with you. On a Fed day, scared Fed day, right? People are scared.
Amazon new high, coach.
Thank you.
Coach, can you look at IWM?
I'm on it. Oh, wow. 6-star trade to the downside on IWM. Nice. Major level at 246.37, which you already went through. 264 is next. Unless you have anything else on your radar.
Cisco's still continuing to bleed to the downside.
Thank you. There goes SPY. Come on, baby. Break and hold. Come on. 50 seconds still on this candle. Okay, so that just... There we go. Look at SPY. Yes. Get down there. Go, 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 SPY. I love it.
Coach, it's about 30 cents away from that bottom of the pre-market. So
yep, I'm looking at it. Yeah, 696.55. Yep, I'm definitely watching that, right?
Yes, sir. So it'd probably be a risky low.
100%.
Risk
100.
to reward would not be great on that one, right?
That is correct. And you guys never got a break and hold candle, right?
Yes, sir.
If you don't get a break and hold the second candle, it's crap.
That 696.55 is pre-market high. I mean, the pre-market low and yesterday's high.
That is correct. Yep. Got it marked. Thank you, partner. Yeah, gang, if you don't get a break and hold through a major level of support or resistance, don't touch it. Just don't do it. You'll get wicked out just like that one was, right? You'll get FOMO. Oh, this is it. Candle. Crushed. Yes? Great. Nobody do that. Not on my watch.
I'm kind of upset with myself because the person who mentioned IWM, that was smart. Because if they don't cut, that's not good news for IWM. I'm in Qs and SPY, and it's just range bound.
Mm-hmm.
I'm also cautious on IWM because that 264 I have marked as the bottom of a control candle.
Well, you still watch it, but yeah.
Yeah, I've got 264.25, 37, 13, and then 263.92. Those are your major levels on IWM. See them?
ASTS, new half day.
Thank you.
So Mr. T had his first rally yesterday to kick off the midterms.
Right, right. Nice.
Are you aware of what he wants to do with the mortgages?
Remind me, but I'm almost 100% positive.
I bet you do, yeah. He wants the people who have the low interest rates to be able to merge their mortgage with the new purchase.
Yeah, that's correct.
So I can take my 2.5%.
Yes. Yep, I did hear that, which is amazing because that'll open the doors for everybody, right?
Correct. And his goal is he doesn't want the house prices to fall.
Correct.
And so with doing that, it would not happen. You'd have to, if I'm buying at say 400,000, I want to buy 500,000, I'd have the 400 at the 2.5.
Correct.
And then there would have to be a
it's
blend of
genius.
different. It's genius.
It's
absolute
100% genius. Yep.
Yep.
People will say, but people will say it's not, just like tariffs, right? Even though we've had the lowest deficit we've ever had in like the last 58 years, but everybody will say it's bad because Orange Man said it. Yeah. If Orange Man say it, it must be bad. Don't do it if the Orange Man saith. So saith the shepherd. So saith the flock.
The Orange Man need to say that oxygen is bad.
It's hilarious.
Swear to God.
Red rum. Red rum.
Red rum. All right, come on. I want to see a break and hold down here below the 697. I want the lights to just drop. Go, go. One more candle. One more candle. One more. Go. One more candle. Go. I'm in it. Go, baby, go, 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 baby, go, go, go. Small position. Doing a little tiny tappy tap. Tappy, tappy, tap. Tappy, tap. If that bounces back up to 697, I'll actually look at adding just a little bit more. Because this is that, yep, right here, that little bit of bounce range. But I like it now. I like it now here. Little more. Little tappy taps. There we go. Tappy taps. Tappy, thank you. Bye-bye. Lights out. Go, go. None nights. Go, go. None nights. Let's take half. Take one more. Well, thank you, Easter Bunny.
Somebody get him, please.
Thank you.
So, Coach, question on YouTube.
Tell me.
Tariffs are bad because the companies are supposed to pay the tariffs and they don't. They charge us the tariff difference.
That is none of that.
Good.
Yeah. None of that is true, but I hear you. Here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen, right? We're always talking about, big, mean orange man, right? Small term pain for long term gain. The reason is, listen to the sound of my voice. I've been in finances my whole life. Listen to me. I've been around everything and products and costs of goods and ownership and everything in between. When you bring all the jobs back to the U.S., you will overall lower the prices of everything. Right? He is bringing trillions of dollars back home. Do you understand? So while you think that is happening, it is not. Do you want to know what's really going on? People are juicing up the prices because they can and claiming it as tariffs. Does everybody realize that energy is the lowest it has been in years? That is fuel. Remember, everybody was going to say, oh, well, fuel costs go up, trucking costs go up, therefore delivery costs go up, therefore the parts and prices go up. Fuel is the lowest it's been in like 5 years. That is energy. Do you understand? So when you guys are getting charged more at the counter, it has nothing to do with anything other than price gouging. Go ask your barber why he's charging you more. You think it costed him more to get the same pair of scissors he's had for 23 years? No.
You're so right, Coach, because they're charging stuff that's not even coming from overseas.
Correct.
It's ridiculous.
Correct. It is a price gouging, skim scam, flim flammy, taking advantage of the situation. Spy, I told all of you guys when to short that. Not financial tax or investment advice. You should all be freaking rich.
I got it, baby. Let's go under 697.
And your voice, and you said it 3 times.
Thank you. Good.
Sold into that double bottom right there, Coach, from pre-market.
Yes.
I got into the double bottom.
Good job. I told you exactly when the break and hold was there. Am I right? That was glorious. Look at this bleed out.
Still going, and I'm like, damn, I shouldn't have sold going in.
No. Because now what you're looking for is a bounce. There's your bounce back up to that level. Retesting. No. You don't.
I sold initially.
Yeah, now you're like, oh, now I guess I am glad, right?
I'm so smart. I'm so smart.
Yeah, I'm a genius. I'm the best trader ever. And then it goes back below. I wish I would have stayed. Am I right? Oh, I guess I should have. Well, now you're set up for the next trade, right?
Ready to go.
Yeah, you got, listen, everybody, you've got 80 cents. 80 cents, 90 cents to previous day close, which would be the next level of support, right? Okay, great. Nice. We're sitting. Yeah, we're
at 696.
Yep. We're still sitting, believe it or not, we're still sitting here on previous day high and pre-market, right? Notice that is not a break and hold of the 690, 655. Do you guys see why? This second candle has not gone below the first candle. Do you understand a break and hold? Everybody in the room says?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And I've got, Coach, I got 696.10 roughly as a previous day high, like from several weeks back when it got up pretty, up to this level.
Thank you. If you guys look at this candle that went through 690, 655, that first candle is still considered inside of that range, right? Second candle formed, did not go below first candle. That is not a break and hold, right? Do you understand? Okay, great. This is where
We're waiting
everybody
for the
gets
bear.
in trust. This is where everybody gets into trouble. IWM, when I told you 6-star trade to the downside, are you still in that trade?
Yes, sir, with 2 contracts.
Great job.
Coach, is this the no play zone? We're waiting for you to,
Yes.
to either tap the 9
Correct.
or break. Thank you.
Yep, 100%. Yeah, if you're not already in this when I told you to short it at 697, that's a no bueno, right?
Yes, sir.
LD, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yeah, I just had a quick question. Going into this Fed meeting, if you're doing the wheel strategy, should you kind of treat that like earnings or something and get out of that play until things do its deal?
Yep, 100%. Yep.
Kind of thought so. Thank
Yep,
you.
I never do wheel option strategy through FOMC or earnings. And the reason is, I want you to think about this for a moment. Okay. Now remember, you're always hedging and protecting though, right? Because if you take off a covered call, you have no downside protection. So you better have something in its place, right? But it can be smaller. But the reason is, if we get good news and you're going to cap yourself at the ceiling, right? Or not have enough protection to the downside. But I never do that, because if there was good news and it continued to run up and then I get capped and then it just keeps going for the next 3 weeks and you're like, well, I wish I would have, right? So what I do, listen to the sound of my voice. So what I do is, when I am not doing a covered call, I will buy short-term or smaller puts to hedge the protection against my long holds. Do you understand? It won't cost nearly as much because it's a short term, right? Today is what I'm doing it for. Bad news today. I want insurance today, right? Okay, great.
Gotcha. Thank you.
You're welcome. And if you guys have stuff that you're in and you don't want to do this, you're going to create a spread. If you have a covered call you do not want to take off, not financial tax or investment advice, all this is in your paper trading account and only for educational purposes only. But if I had a covered call on something and I did not want to take it off, say it is a very long term, which if you have a very long term covered call, I don't really care much about these little micro moves over the next month or two, right? So those are different. I'm talking about short term covered call situation, weeklies. Or a month is what I'm talking about. If you got 6 months or a year, I don't even give a crap about movement today. Does that make sense? First of all, okay, great. But if I were all of you, like I always do, we're going to create a spread. What you will do is you will take the covered call premium money that you've received up front, and then you will buy puts. Now you are covered all the way around. You can still get the price of your stock price going up to the strike price where you get capped on your covered call. You still have downside protection, which is those premiums you received for said covered calls. And you will take some of that premium and buy more puts to protect you further to the downside. And if good news comes out, bang, you can go along with those, right? You will use the premium you've received to hedge either side. Does that make sense? If it goes above your strike price, you can now buy longs. That's a spread. It goes below, right, where you have all of your risk tolerance and it just hit it, buy the damn shorts. Does that make sense, everybody in the room? Okay, great. Thank you. Appreciate you. Love your face. That's nice. And if you're sitting here, wonder what the hell I'm talking about, it's time for you to get a real membership. It's time for you to sign up with us, right? If you guys are just sitting here and you literally have 100 or more shares of anything anywhere, you are wasting all of your time, money, and energy by your stocks not making you money while it's sitting there collecting dust. Do you hear the sound of my voice? Not financial tax or investment advice.
Yes, Coach.
Okay, great. Thank you. Love your faces.
Coach got in on that break down a while ago, 697, wrote it down to the double bottom, and almost 10% of my account.
Oh my gosh.
It's all your fault, Coach. I say it every time. It's all your fault.
Yes, Valhalla, you're getting so much better every single day. Your confidence is growing. Your trades are becoming better. You're holding longer. You're doing the things.
I tell you what I am doing, Coach. One thing I did start doing several weeks back was instead of just doing the old government cheese shed all at one time.
Oh, right.
I started shedding like whatever I buy. If I buy 10 contracts, I'll sell them in groups of 5, kind of like Dave does. And so it does allow me to stay in the little breed bags a little longer and let it pull on, keep on pulling. You know what I'm saying? Instead of getting all out at once and missing that extra little breathe back and then pull some more, instead of missing that pull some more, I'm getting that part of it now. So,
let me get this straight, Valhalla. You're doing exactly what I say to do for the last 3.5 years, every single day with it, but just now.
Well, I've only been listening to you since August the 12th of 2022.
Oh,
I'm one of your OGs.
Oh boy!
So
it only took 3.5 years. 3.5 years.
Sinking in.
Isn't that funny? I want you guys to all think about what he said, though, right? Right? He said, "But Coach, you're never going to believe what I do now." I'm like, "What do you? That's all I say to do. That's all we're supposed to be doing. There's nothing else." But I hear you. Good job.
Hey, but at the end of the day, it's the main thing is it's starting to really click now.
Yes.
So,
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Better late than never.
Yes.
Better
good job.
late than never.
Absolutely.
Thank you,
Good job. You know, it's funny. It's just one of those, it starts to click, right? And like I said, it doesn't matter where you hear it. It's all coming from the top, just so you know. It goes from God to me to everybody else, just so you know. I don't give a shit who's doing what in the room. That's just the way it is. I know it sounds funny. It might be egotistical. That's the way it works. It goes from God to me to all of you in some way, fashion, or form, how all of you are trading, right? It's just, I say it every day, and I tell you exactly what to do every day. And then at some point, you guys will hear it from somebody and be like, that's what I'm going to do. That's the move.
Hey, Coach.
Yeah.
I was just reminded on YouTube to remind you to still tell your story.
Oh, yes. Thank you. Yes. Okay. All right. Now listen. Now this is on the future side, but this holds true for everybody on everything. And I want you to understand that everybody is going to make stupid mistakes. I don't know if you guys, let me pull it up. So I've been on my Tradeify futures journey. By the way, use discount code ADT if you guys want the best price. And yes, I literally will make $5 when you guys sign up. Woo! I'm just telling you, they're actually really good. Otherwise, they wouldn't have my name associated with it. But I was doing the 150K Lightning accounts. I have been posting every single day. I have been green 7 days in a row. All I needed on the last one was to make $800. I have made $1,200 to $1,500 every single day, 7 days, 88% success rate on all of my trades. And I don't care about that, but the reason I'm saying it is every day was perfection. You cannot do better than that. Everything perfectly followed exactly what they needed with their consistency rules, and I had a game plan. I needed $800, which was going to pay me, by the way, $6,000 on the payout. Today I'm supposed to be asking for my payout. All I needed was $800, which is less than I've made every single day trading the account. Guess what I did last night while I was bored? I got into heavy. I went red, doubled the sizes, came back. I was down about 1,000. Now remember, there's like a $3,500 in a single day threshold. If I drop below $3,500 in that day, all accounts blown. I'm copy trading. I got down, I got up. I got down, I got up. I was making bigger trades than what I should have. I'm like, right? And we've all been there. And I'm like, it's $800. All I needed was $800. And I'm like down 12. Well, now I got to get 2. Then I'm down 2,500. I'm like, well, crap. Now I got to really fight my way out, right? All the things. Last trade, I was down $1,200. I'm like, yes, looks good. Beep, 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 beep. I maxed out how many minis they allowed me. 1 candle went against me. Boom, blew the account. 7 perfect days of trading expertly, the best in the world trading, documented every day for you all to see. And then I blew it. Just one time being bored and acting stupid. So, moral of the story is, and the reason this applies to everybody, not just because it was a prop firm and I was showing you guys prop firms and all the things. You guys, even in this room, in stocks, options, crypto, futures, doesn't matter. You can have every day be the greatest trades, the best trading. You're doing your best work, green after green after green after green, and just crushing it, right? Destroying the market. You're the best, doing all the things. It only takes one time. It only takes one time screwing up to completely blow up your entire accounts. Now, fortunately, it's a prop firm, right? So it's not like I lost a ton of money, but that was my money. I lost $1,000 for those 2 accounts, or $500 each. I lost $1,000 when all I needed to do on the last perfected day is make about half of what I've been doing every day leading up to it to get a $6,000 payout, which is $3,000 for each one of those accounts. And I could not keep my shit together for one moment for a lower amount than I needed to, just rushing it. And that costed me everything. So in here too, right? You guys can have the greatest days string together, 28 days green. 1 red day, wipe your whole account out and go, what did I do that for? So I need you to really pay attention. I need you to really focus. Even me, right? Like today I'll make, I can make anywhere up to $10,000, $50,000. If I'm a bonehead, I can lose that in under a minute, 2 minutes sometimes. I need you to focus, and I need you to have the correct position sizes and have the stop losses. By the way, the other thing that I did on this account, which was stupid, every day, listen to the sound of my voice. This is the most important part too, right? The risk management. Every day I had set a $1,500 maximum loss per day limit. What should have happened is if I hit $1,500, it says you're done, coach. Today is obviously not your day. That would have allowed me one more day to do the exact same thing. Remember, 3,500 is my threshold I could have been down to. It would have bought me 2 days. I took that off yesterday. Don't ask me why. It was just stupid because, well, I know why I did, because I went in and told it, hey, when you make 800, because you can tell it, once I make 800, sell it all. And while I was in there, I took it off. I took off the risk management portion. So I want you to think about this. And I say this every day. The most important thing is the risk management, not the profit. If I would have had my risk management still in place, I would have lost the 1,500. Today I would be trading. I could get my mindset right. All I would have had to have done, right, is been green, even if it took me 2 days or whatever, just to keep my head right. I'd still be in the game. I'd still have my risk management in place, and I wouldn't have lost it all. This is why I tell you every single day, risk management is more important than your profits. It is everything. So please, coming from me, who did the same thing that you would have done yesterday, and it's all documented for you all to see, I did the exact same thing. We are human. We're going to do stupid human things. I'm the guy up here literally training all of you on how and what and why and when. And I still did it. Do you understand? So all it takes is one board time, one moment, one lapse. This is why those journals are so... You don't understand when I tell you, you better be journaling. And you're all like, well, there's only like 95 people out of 24,000 people that have the American Dream Trading Journal. Therefore, I'm expecting 90 people to be successful and 23,000 to not. And I'm dead serious about that. You cannot follow the most simplistic rules. You will have...
Our brush cutter was sold a couple...
I got it. You will have a problem if you cannot follow the rules. And listen, journaling is one of the most important things we do. It'll keep your mind right. It'll keep you in check. It will make sure you're doing what you are supposed to be doing. Guess what had to go in my journal? You're a bonehead. What did you do that for? Right? What are you going to do next time? You're going to have the rules in place. You're not going to go rogue. Do the things. Okay? Huge lesson. It costed me, so hopefully all of you can learn. But it's in real time. It's all posted. If you're a futures or a diamond member or soon platinum starting next week, you would have access to that. It's all posted every day. I was trying to show you guys exactly what it looks like, exactly what it takes. And even the guy who's training you blew it. It happens. We're all human beings. And I don't expect none of you to not make mistakes. But I need you to learn from them. Right? I need you to learn from it. So I need to reset, regroup. Right? This isn't an arcade. Coach doesn't just go reload and do it again. That's not how it should be working in your brain. Okay? You need to feel that burn. Take it seriously. Document it in your American Dream Trading Journal that you guys could pick up from the website. Hint, hint. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. And do all the things. Love your face. Appreciate you all for listening to that because it was a mess. I mean, I had to sit here and go, oh my gosh. I had to be like, I can't believe I blew that. And now I have to tell everybody that I'm also a bonehead and you have to see it. It's public. Right now, I didn't have to tell live. Nobody would know. And I think 3 people are the only ones actually watching the journey. It's not the point. I wanted it to be a learning moment for all of us, including myself. I have to remember I'm also human and do stupid stuff, right? So follow the rules. It's not just like, well, just coach just wants to be mean. That has nothing to do with it. I want you to be successful. That's what I want for all of you. So I hope that can help in some way. Seeing the old man fall down on his face in front of all of you. And there you go. That's my story.
Coach, I would also say that's one of the dangerous things also about setting an exact dollar limit for what you want to make each day. Because there's been times where I was like, okay, my goal is $100 a day. And you're at like 90 or 92, right?
Yep.
And you make that last trade. Boom, goes against you, and now you're chasing. Now you're at $75, and I'm like, damn, I was trying to get to 100, one more, and then now I'm at 50.
Yep.
Like I can't tell you how many times I've done that, chasing that extra $10. Like now I'm like, okay, if my goal is 100, I'm at 90, I'm good. I'm close enough. That's close enough for me.
Yep.
I think that's just one thing I've learned to deal with.
I've done
That's
it.
why I like Blake's screenshots because you saw all of his days. It was different amounts. You could tell he didn't do that. One day it was $6. Next day it was 200. Then it was 100. Then it was 11. He was green.
Right,
That's all that mattered.
It's dangerous when you start saying, I want to make 50 a day or 100 a day or 500 a day, because then you chase that and then you go red, almost revenge trading, trying to get it back.
Correct. If you guys remember, I told you one time that I think I was only like $300 from, gosh, I can't remember. It was like 100 grand or 70 grand. I don't remember what the dollar amount is anymore, but I was the same thing. I was only a couple bucks away and I was like, yeah, it's going to be glorious. I think I ended up losing like $56,000 that day, which means I took like a 70K profit down to a loss 50. So that's 120K in a day, right? Because I was chasing like $300. That's when I start, that's when I tell all of you. I mean, I've been saying it for years, like, don't do that, right? Now, it's good to have daily goals where we're like, yeah, where are we? So we would know we're being successful. But yes, we don't put limits on the upside, only the downside, right?
Right.
So anyways, hopefully you guys learn from the old man's mistakes. Only costed me $1,000 for that story. How does that sound?
Thanks for being transparent, though, Coach.
Yeah, 100%. It happens. It's just the way it is, right? Now, did I make all that money back off those accounts in less than like 6 minutes this morning? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe in about 10 seconds I made it back. But that's not the point. Maybe. The point is, right? I like to see that long, beautiful consistency. That's what it's about. So that's what the rules are in place. Everybody try to be as consistent as you can every single day. As soon as you're consistent, then you can duplicate. Why are you so consistent? And that's what the damn journal is for. How many of you, there's 300 people in my Zoom right now. There's typically 350 to 400 now every single day. There's another 100 or so, 130 or whatever it is now over in the futures. How many, Bruno, I don't know if you're in the room, how many American Dream trading journals have we sold that's 50% off for the next 2 days only? 90? 100? There's 300 people in the room. What are you waiting for? What are you doing?
I will say this, Coach. I've been using my...
Here, I'll tell you. Go ahead. I'll tell you.
Journaler. I've been journaling every day since I've got it. I love the setup. I love the layout. I put my trade in. I put what I just did. I took a VWAP down to support, scalped the double bottom up to VWAP. I love it. I've been filling it out every day. And I never was a good journaler before.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Yo, right here, 90. I have 90 exact people in the room. I have everyone. I'm staring at every one of you that actually has the ADT journal. Somebody else just bought it. You're a genius. 90. We have 90 people. There's 304 people in the room. What are you waiting for? You don't even need a membership. But I'm telling you, this will hold you accountable. This is what you need. This is going to talk about the emotions of what you're doing and how you're doing what you're doing, right? Listen, guys, if you guys think I'm going to get rich selling you some freaking journal, it costed me more to make that for the last year than I will ever get out of that thing, right? I'm telling you right now, this ain't a cash grab. I will not recover at all the money that I've spent working on that. There's no way. You understand that, right? Okay, great. Would I like to? Sure. That's why I have to charge something. It's not the point. There are 90. We have 25,000 members, 300 people in the room. 200 people are watching live right now. 90 of you. Everybody that is in my Zoom, go right now. Now, we'll post it in the Zoom chat and click the link. Go get the journal. That'd be great. That will help.
Coach. Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Click the link. Do the things. It's half off until Monday. On Monday, you will be paying $80, and I still think it's worth it because this will be a living, breathing document that we want to change, edit, tweak, tune when we see new things, when we get ideas from you, right? All of you are going to be telling us, Coach, add this, take this away. I'd like to see this. This is going to always be changing, like our trading view indicators. Yeah, look, Hudson just posted it in the Zoom chat.
I'm being very transparent. I took some losses yesterday, but that's what I've got so far.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Since I've started.
Yeah, that's awesome. And you guys will have access, by the way, to the ADT Journal channel on the Discord where you can see what everybody's doing, how they're using it, and what it looks like, okay? I'm serious. There's no reason why you are not in there. What time is it? 10:36? I'm going to name all of you off. Everybody, I'm going to name you off. If you do not hear your name, I'm driving to your house and I'm going to monster truck right over it. Do you understand? Is everybody ready? I'm going to name the people. There's 300 people in here. If you do not see their name, they are not following anything we're doing. Ancient Investor Ben, Big B, Big Country, Bigfoot, Blake, Bobby, Brad K, Brownie, Bubba Man, Bernie T, Cash, Charlie Joe, Chef Mike, Kem, Coloco, Conrad, David, Dawson, Dean, Derek, Digit, DM, Dr. Jam, Errol, Fast Snake, Gatabella, Ghost Rider, Ginger, Habib, Harlow, J Hearn, J Geo, JCC, JD, Jeff D, J Mac, J Crow, Joe Demand, nice. John J, welcome back, by the way, late night dad, appreciate you. KB, Ken T, Kevin A, Kimberly, King Zoe, Kim B, Kyle, Little Supermom, Liz, Marble, Mark Owner, Mark P, Marlon C. Marlon, I think I have a one-on-one with you coming up today. Marcus, Marv, Master, Milton, MK, Muddy, Paul, Patience, Polito, Rando, Rawhide, RBMA, Reg P, Richard, Romantic, Ryan, Scott, Scuba Steve, Slow Mo, Studson, some random guy, Sunkissed Rose. Thank you. I've got one-on-one scheduled with you coming up too. Taji, same with you. Texas Yeti, the rain. Notice the people that I work with do. Tony Lynn, I see you in there. All the people I work directly with, of course they know. Tracy P, Trader Kevin, we're almost done. Troy, Utah Trader, another one. VWAP, VShav, Will, Without, Woke, Woke, Wolf, and Xander. If you did not hear your name, what are you doing right now? Oh, my print just finished. Everybody that was in with me, my print just finished. I got my other hook. Done. So if you did not hear your name, we will see you over in the store. Right now, Canadian 215 says, how do I get this journal? Moderators, post it in the Traders Lounge. Post it in the Zoom chat. Post it on YouTube. Put the links out there so they can go grab the ADT journal right now. Here, let me.
I think you have a new diamond member, Coach.
There it is. Oh, new diamond. Nice. Let me look. Hold on. New diamond member. I'm looking. Look. Yep, John. Oh, Bumblebee. Bumblebee.
All right, Bumblebee.
Woo. Yes.
Oh, yeah. All you, Coach. You made it happen.
Congratulations, man. Long time coming. Glad to have you in here, partner. That's awesome. I see we'll make sure we cancel anything else so you don't get charged for nothing else. All right, partner?
Okay. Sounds great.
All right. Thank you, my friend.
I'm so excited.
Yes, me too. Oh my gosh. Your world just completely opened up. Wait till you see all the goodies you get now. That's awesome.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Somebody just said, I just bought it. Where do I access it? If you go back to, well, first of all, it should take you directly to a link.
It will relink you right to the download page.
Yep.
And if it doesn't, look through your apps. It'll be towards the bottom, ADT Trading Journal.
Yep. And it'll be on WAP because that is our third party, right? So go in there and click on it. It'll be downloadable right there for you. It's a PDF. There's two of them, one for the first 6 months and one for the second 6 months. Everybody get over there. I can see you guys are all doing it, but I hate the fact that I have to be like, where are you at? What? Gang. I've been here 3.5 years sitting in this seat. You've seen what we've done. Would I try to tell you or sell you on anything that made no sense? Would I be like, you should go get it? It's $40. It's less than McDonald's. Would I say to go get it if I thought it was crap? I'd be like, don't buy this. Right? I'd say go get the bots that the cat lady's selling you on TikTok in the middle of the night, right? Yes, go do the things, click the buttons. I want everybody to be successful. This is just obviously results not guaranteed, legal. Every time I say that, I have to listen. I need you journaling. I need you in that book. I need you studying what you are doing. There's nobody over there. I can talk to you till you're blue in the face. right? If I was your health coach and a year from now, you're like, well, I'm still a fat ass. Well, yeah, because I'm not the one who's there with you 24/7. Well, I work out real hard when I'm with you. Okay, that's great. And then as soon as you leave, you go get a bucket of chicken, right? You'll go wash it down with a 1,200 calorie protein shake, and all you did was burned 800 calories while you were in here. Like, what do you think's going to happen? Oh, my body's not designed that way. That's the first thing you'll hear. My metabolism. Stop all the nonsense. It's just like in here. You will either be successful following the rules and doing all the things and taking this seriously, or every day you're going to be like, well, I'm working really hard at one time. That ain't it. It's 24/7, living, breathing, documenting, being in this moment, sitting right here with this old man every day. That is what will change everything for you. Ask the people in here that are successful. And it is not until you are ready to accept the knowledge, the training, and the advice that we are giving you in the room before you will be great at this. You'll hear people, we heard people today. You'll hear people every day. It wasn't until I did X, Y, and Z that I was successful. But I show you exactly what it requires to be successful every day, right? But it's up to you. I'm not there. I can't make you do it. I'm not the one who's going to be like, write in that journal right now and stand over you, right? Well, I'm just going to be lazy today. Well, then you'll have no more further knowledge for today. Today will have been completely wasted. Good days and bad days, that's what it's for. Do the work. Show up for yourself. You want to change your life? Seriously, look at me. Do you want to change your life and your family's life forever? Or do you want to sit there thinking how much work you're putting in? Oh, I'm so much work, but I'm half-assing and not really doing all the things. Then you will be still in the same spot you are for years to come. Make the decision today. What are you going to do? Is this the start of a new day? Are you going to be great? Are you going to crush it? Are you going to sit there still staring into outer space? Well, I'm doing all the hard work, coach. You wouldn't believe all the things I've done, but I just don't do all the stuff required. Well, then you're going to get a half-ass, right? You're going to get half-ass training from the greatest training you could ever receive in your life. Now, I will toot that till the day I die because the proof is in the pudding. If I didn't have the proof with all the people doing the things, I'd be like, well, we got some pretty good training over here. I think we're pretty good. We wouldn't be breaking world records. We wouldn't have 6 people making over $20 million. It wouldn't be hundreds of millions in profits over here. The proof is in the pudding, ladies and gentlemen. So I can say, I think unequivocally, that I am the greatest stocks, futures, I can't say crypto because we don't have any crypto baddies, an options trainer that has ever lived. So listen to the sound of my voice when I speak. Appreciate you. Now listen, I'm going to take off. It's 10:45. I've got Marlon. Are you in here?
Yes, sir, I am.
Thank you. I will see you. Do you want to hold on? I was going to say we can start early, but let me make sure. Hold on. Maybe not. I'll see you at 11:30. I got to say no because I got to put some salt down on the driveway, and I'm going to try to do it now so nobody slips and falls and dies outside. It's like all ice.
Before you go,
yeah, what's that?
I wanted to say thank you for jumping in the futures yesterday. That was a lot of fun.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, thank you for having me, man. I appreciate you guys. I know I try to dip in there every now and then. I'm just doing a ton of one-on-ones. I've got a lot of mentorships going on. No excuses, but I'm like today I've got another 3 hours. When I get done with you guys, I have another 3 hours of training for people, right? It's not like, oh, coach is going to go play golf in the ice. That's not it at all. I'm still have to work. And then guess what, when I get done with that, I got to go make sure all the help desk tickets are done. Then I got to make sure the ADT Academy on the back end is happening. I got to make sure the media team is actually putting out quality, great videos for us. Then I got to go back and make sure that nobody's missed anything anywhere. Like it's 24/7. I work all day long for all of you. I expect the same thing from all of you. If you want to take this seriously and you want to go to the next level, why are you not putting in the same effort? Okay,
Hey,
great.
Real quick, Coach,
Yep.
before you get off the live,
Yep.
I'm trying to hunt down 2 Diamond members if you're listening on the live, Raymond, and the other one is going to be Christopher. So I need those 2 gentlemen to either get into the Discord, send me a message, however you send up a smoke signal. I've already sent you an email. You have to add your Discord to your profile, because then you won't gain access to the good stuff. So please, please, please get with us. You know, send us an email. You should have an email already, but respond to the email.
Raymond and Christopher.
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Raymond
Check your email, check your spam. If you're like, well, I bought a diamond, but I don't know what to do, check your email. If you're in any of these rooms, say, that's me. Hello, I need help. Yeah, that'd be great. Yep. Raise your hand.
Sure you're squared away and you got access, because then you'll be like, this is BS. I can't.
Yeah, I can't get into anything, even though you got a welcome kit, an exact step-by-step, an actual video that shows you exactly what to do. But if it went to your spam, or you weren't checking it, or you're just like, I don't want to, you know, if you're the person that bought the VCR and then chucked the manual in the trash, like, I can do it on my own. That's you. We're talking to you. So get over there. Thank you. Appreciate you. All right, I'm out of here. Everybody, love your face. Have a blessed day. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, F2, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, Diesel, Dan. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. We heard it real quiet back there. All right, I'm out of here. Moderators, you have control of the board.
Thanks, Coach.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Love your faces. Don't forget, everybody. Here you go. Get a little Jesus in you. God bless. I'm out. See ya.
Amen.
See ya.
Coach.
See ya.
Coach. Thank you, Coach.
Yes. Everybody be safe.